In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bind qBittorrent to Express VPN. This is one of the best ways to keep your torrent traffic protected. A standard VPN kill switch helps if the VPN app crashes, but interface binding adds another layer of safety. It tells qBittorrent to only use the VPN's network adapter. That means if the VPN disconnects, pauses, or shuts down, qBittorrent stops transferring data right away instead of falling back to your normal internet connection. To begin, open ExpressVPN and connect to the server location you want to use. Make sure the VPN is fully connected before you change anything in qBittorrent because your system needs to recognize the VPN adapter first. Once the connection is active, leave ExpressVPN running in the background. Next, you need to identify the exact network interface name that ExpressVPN is using on your device. On Windows, press the Windows key and R to open the run box, type ncpa.cpl and press enter. This opens the network connections window. Look through the available adapters and find the one associated with ExpressVPN. It may mention ExpressVPN, a tap adapter, a tunnel driver, or Lightway. What matters most is the exact name of that adapter, so make a note of it. On Mac OS, the interface name is usually listed as something like Utune 0, Utune 1, Utune 2, or Utune 3. You'll confirm the correct one when you select it inside qBittorrent. Now open qBittorrent. On Windows, go to Tools and then Preferences. On Mac OS, open the qBittorrent menu and choose Settings. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and click Advanced. Near the top, find the setting labeled Network Interface. By default, this is usually set to any interface, and that's exactly what you want to avoid. Open the drop-down menu and select the ExpressVPN interface you identified earlier. If you're on Windows, choose the adapter name that matches what you saw in Network Connections. If you're on Mac, choose the active Utune interface. Then click Apply, followed by OK to save the change. After that, fully restart qBittorrent. Exit the application completely. Wait a few seconds and then open it again. This helps ensure the new network binding is applied cleanly. Finally, test that everything works correctly. With ExpressVPN still connected, add a safe torrent such as a Linux distribution image and confirm that qBittorrent starts downloading normally. Then disconnect ExpressVPN and immediately switch back to qBittorrent. If the binding is working, transfer speeds should quickly drop to 0 and the torrent should stall or disconnect. Reconnect the VPN and the download should resume. That confirms qBittorrent is successfully locked to ExpressVPN and your torrent traffic is much better protected.